So there's a feature inside CreateSpace called Autofill. Autofill will take a shape that you have and duplicate it as many times as it needs in order to fit the entire size of your mat. In this example here, we have a lot of tags that we would like to make, and we would like to maximize our mat. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the tag, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to delete the tag from our page. The next thing that we need to do is we'll go up here to the Edit menu and paste Autofill. As you can see, we're maximizing our mat, and it's going to place exactly however many tags it needs in order to fill the space without rotating the object. Now, if you're asking yourself, well, how can I get more tags on there? Well, we are going to need to change your mat size. So let's go ahead and do that. Over here in the document, we can change this to a 12 by 24, or you can even go with a custom mat size. Now I'm going to go through the same thing. I'm going to go down to Edit, Paste Autofill. So as you can see, it is using the mat size as its reference to know how many shapes to duplicate on your mat. So that is Autofill inside CreateSpace.